Welcome to The Explainer. So if you've ever felt like eating healthy is basically a full-time job, you're in the right place. Today we're unpacking exactly how to prep 5 full days of protein-rich meals in just 1 hour. We're going to use everyday ingredients, simple techniques, and a brilliantly structured workflow derived straight from our sources to make healthy eating feel completely effortless.
60. That is the magic number. Literally, just 60 minutes is all it takes to prep 5 entire days of meals. Let's be honest with ourselves. The most common hurdle to eating healthy isn't a lack of desire, it's a lack of time. But by utilizing overlapping cooking times and smart no-cook assembly, we can completely eliminate the excuse of not having time to cook healthy food daily.
Okay, let's dive straight into our roadmap for today. First, the 1-hour prep secret. Then, everyday fat-burning ingredients. After that, no-cook breakfasts and snacks, multitasking hot mains, fresh and fast salads, and finally, customizing your calories. Let's get into it.
Section 1. The 1-hour prep secret. Efficiency over starvation.
Meal prep usually fails because it's just way too complicated or restrictive. But as this source perfectly puts it, you don't need fancy detoxes or starvation diets. You need the right foods that fuel your body. It's absolutely crucial to remember that weight loss and real, vibrant health are built on accessible, nutrient-dense fuel. It's about feeding your body, not depriving it.
And here's the best part. When you feed your body correctly using this exact plan, you can easily hit roughly 93 grams of protein a day. 93! That's a massive win. This high-protein approach is exactly what keeps you full for hours. It crushes those midday cravings and fuels lean muscle. Oh, and you can easily keep all of this entirely dairy-free and gluten-free if you choose to stick to the base recipes.
Moving right along to Section 2. Everyday fat-burning ingredients. The 10 superfoods.
So here are the heavy hitters. These 10 everyday foods naturally crush cravings without bankrupting you at the grocery store. We're talking about eggs, Greek yogurt, and lean proteins like chicken or tofu to really act as your fat-burning engines. Then you've got oatmeal, leafy greens, apples, and berries for amazing volume and healthy sweetness. Throw in some chia seeds, which, fun fact, magically absorb up to 12 times their weight in water to keep you super full, plus cucumbers, carrots, and a bit of lemon water. Now that is a powerhouse grocery list, and it's anything but boring.
Now, you might be wondering why we're keeping things so plain. Well, the sources explicitly warn against flavored yogurts and instant oatmeal packets. Why? Because they are absolutely loaded with hidden sugars that will just completely derail your progress. The trick here is choosing plain, unflavored versions of these everyday foods. You sweeten them naturally with whole fruits or just a touch of honey. That is how you actually control your hunger hormones.
Section 3. No-cook breakfasts and snacks. Quick assembly while the oven heats.
All right, let's actually start the clock. The very first thing you do when you walk into the kitchen is turn your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 218 degrees Celsius for my metric folks out there. Throw your empty baking tray inside to get it blazing hot. While that oven preheats, we're going to ditch the usual rushed sugary cereals and candy for some actual nutrient-dense fuel. Toss rolled oats, chia seeds, a bit of cocoa powder, instant coffee, and high-protein soy milk into a bowl. Portion it out, and boom, you have Mocha Overnight Oats for the whole week. Next, throw frozen strawberries, pineapple, vegan vanilla protein powder, plain yogurt, and water right into a blender. In under 10 minutes total, you've completely replaced the need for those heavily processed high-calorie snacks. How easy is that?
And hey, if overnight oats just aren't your thing, no worries. Our sources provide some incredible, super fast alternatives. You could whip up an instant palak chilla, which is a really tasty, savory Indian pancake loaded with plant protein using spinach, besan, and sattu flour. Or you can make a fiber-rich oats paniyaram by soaking oats and mixing them with grated veggies and cumin. Or simply keep it classic with a low-calorie egg white omelet loaded with sautéed mushrooms and capsicum. That one is absolutely phenomenal for muscle growth and bone health.
Next up, Section 4. Multitasking hot mains. The 30-minute oven strategy.
Okay, listen up, because this overlapping workflow is the absolute core secret to our 60-minute claim. It's like a finely tuned dance. First, slice your potatoes in half, season them, and place them face down on that preheated hot tray we talked about earlier. That is the ultimate trick to getting them perfectly crispy. Then, toss your chicken breast or firm tofu in a little oil, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and onion powder. Put the chicken, along with some chopped green beans and bell peppers, onto the top shelf and the potatoes on the bottom. Set your timer for exactly 30 minutes. That 30 minutes of hands-off roasting time, that's the exact window we're going to use to prep the final pieces of our week's food.
But again, you're never locked into just one flavor profile here.
If simple roasted chicken isn't calling your name, the sources offer some seriously mouth-watering swaps. You could prep a smoky, red-hot chicken, marinated in ginger garlic paste and chili, authentically smoked in a pan using a piece of hot charcoal and a drop of ghee. Sounds amazing, right? Or you could do a quick lemon garlic chicken, cooked in olive oil and served with blanched vegetables. For a massive nutrient boost, try a tandoori broccoli. It's a superfood marinated in creamy hung curd and spices, then grilled to absolute perfection.
Section 5. Fresh and fast salads. 15-minute assembly. So while your chosen hot main is roasting away in the oven for those 30 minutes, we immediately jump into assembling a fresh Mediterranean chickpea salad. It's so simple. All you do is rinse a couple cans of chickpeas, which, by the way, are fantastic for plant-based protein and fiber, and toss them into a bowl with halved baby tomatoes, cucumber chunks, red bell pepper, red onion, and fresh cilantro. Sprinkle some feta cheese on top, then just whisk together a quick dressing of olive oil, white wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, a touch of maple syrup to balance out the acidity, and fresh lemon juice. Tossing all these high-fiber ingredients together takes exactly 15 minutes. It perfectly aligns with our oven timer. By the time you portion this salad out, your oven timer is ringing and your chicken and potatoes are ready to be boxed up. Boom! 1 hour, done. The whole shebang.
And our final section, Section 6, customizing your calories, making it work for you.
We all know one rigid meal plan doesn't fit everyone, right? But scaling this specific prep is incredibly simple. Let's do some quick math. The baseline meals we just prepped, the oats, the chickpea salad, and the roasted chicken dinner, each sit at roughly 400 calories. So, if your target is 1,200 calories, you just eat the 3 main meals and skip the snacks. Easy. If you need 1,400 calories, you just add in that 200-calorie strawberry smoothie we blended up. Pushing up to 1,600, just double your smoothie portion or add a 200-calorie snack bar. And if you're aiming for an 1,800-calorie day, you can double your dinner portion or simply add 2 slices of toast with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. It really is that easy to instantly scale your calories up or down without changing a single thing about that 1-hour prep workflow.
When you put it all together, a standard 1,400-calorie day balanced with real food looks incredibly satisfying. Think about it. You're getting rich chocolate coffee oats in the morning, a massive bowl of fiber-rich Mediterranean salad for lunch, hearty, crispy potatoes and savory chicken for dinner, and a thick, sweet fruit smoothie as a snack. You are eating real, delicious food. You're controlling your hunger hormones with the right fat-burning ingredients, and most importantly, you're fueling your body properly.
I want to leave you with this thought. We've just broken down exactly how to prep 5 full days of highly nutritious, perfectly customized, fat-burning meals in just 60 minutes. But look, efficient meal prep isn't just about weight loss or hitting your protein goals. Ultimately, it's about buying back your own time. So if you no longer have to stress about cooking every single evening, what will you do with all the extra time you save this week? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Start applying these overlapping techniques, pick your favorite flavor swaps, and go take back your week.